A thought train chugs through my brain, a grating, grinding pressure strain. I'm thrown into a whirlwind by exploding puffs of space and time. My engine spews these fleeting clouds of worldly rhyme. For my soul's salvation and humanity, I am colliding with my sanity. And I say to myself, resynthesize and take a mental lull. Don't lose your mind. Relax. Unwind. It's just a game inside your skull. And to all the players with racking brains on the contemporary stage of civilization, the whistle blows, all aboard my track. There's trouble in the station. The world is a wailing while the people are ailing from a global crisis of the cranium. And we all are the passengers on this cosmic odyssey into a new millennium. It's a collective journey through a dying new age in a psycho high-technological world. A sacrificial head trip down the urban wasteland line from which we are derailing while our progress comes unfurled. Such hopeless, blinding, tunnel vision shrouds the beauty of life in a veil of black. But the light that shines at the end of the line holds the power to pull my train back on its track. For the source of the light is the notion of hope, guiding my train while I keep it alive. It inspires me to project this animated vision of a destination towards which humanity should strive. On our aimless journey through space and time, we can still set our sights on the light of the dawn. If we hope and believe, we will find peace of mind, and our train of thought will chug on.